A high-profile delegation from the National People's Party arrived at Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport on Wednesday, signaling a strategic reinforcement of political alliances in Tripura. The delegation, arriving from Meghalaya, was led by NPP Executive Chairman James Sangma, Sanjay A. Sangma, Member of the Legislative Assembly, Lan Botham Sangma, and Steve M. Marak, Member of the District Council.
Yes, I know. Our MLAs are also here. Our MLA also. Our MDC, Member of District Council.
Speaking to the press following his arrival at MBB Airport, National People's Party Executive Chairman James Sangma officially confirmed the delegation's purpose to provide full support to Bhubagra Pradit Kishore Debarma and the Tripura Mother Party in the upcoming 2026 TT ADC elections.
So we are here as part of delegation of the National People's Party. I am also along with our MLAs, Mr. Ian Botham Sangma and Mr. Sanjay Sangma, and one of our MDCs, Mr. Stevie Marak, and we are here to lend our support to Maharaja Bhubagra, who's contesting in the TTDAC elections, and we are here so that we can take part in the campaign, and also here to give him all our moral support. So One Northeast अभी जो है जो हमारा विचारधारा है इसके बारे में वो तो चल ही रहा है, और अभी तो खैर इलेक्शन चुनाव का भी माहौल है, और इसमें हम लोग यहाँ पे चुनाव के मकसद से ही आए हैं ताकि हम महाराजा प्रद्युत जी को हम लोग अपना सपोर्ट दे सके इस दौरान में। और आज हमारे साथ हमारे दो विधायक हैं मेघालय से, एनपीपी से, मिस्टर इयन बॉथम के सांगमा और मिस्टर संजय सांगमा, और हमारे एक गारो हिल्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल के भी मेंबर हैं श्री स्टीवी मारा। तो हम लोग एक साथ यहाँ पे चुनाव में भाग लेने के लिए, प्रचार के लिए और यहाँ पे समर्थन देने के लिए यहाँ आए।
Reported by Salsang from Agartala, Chini Khora.